This question looks really hard, and it's a good reminder that on the SAT, you have to pay attention to the question number, right? This is a good example of how you can use the structure of the test to your advantage. The questions on the math sections are generally in order from easy to hard. This would actually be an easy question near the beginning of the section, so don't let the wording intimidate you. The math itself is actually really easy. They're telling you exactly what they want. Just kind of ignore all the details and focus on the words that matter. So this is what I see when I read the question. The power of a mechanical system is defined as the amount of work in joules performed by the system divided by the amount of time in seconds that it takes to perform the work. So I can write what I just highlighted in a very simple way. The power is the work divided by the time. Okay, notice it's a simple equation. And what do they give us next? Okay, what is the power in joules? So we're going to find the P. In joules per second of a mechanical system that performs 20 joules of work over a period of 16 seconds. So, okay, the power is going to be 20 over 16. This is the calculator section, so boom, boom, type it in. You're going to get 1.25. That's the whole question. We just need to divide two numbers. Now, all the other answers are other things you could do with those two numbers, like multiply them or divide them backwards. So it's easy to make a mistake, but you have to trust the difficulty. And this is going to be near the beginning of the section where you should be able to get every single question right. So you can't give up on something like this. Just try to filter the information, create an equation, and then plug points into equations. That's really all it is. They didn't give us the equation explicitly, but we can pull it out of the sentences and write it down on our page and then just plug the values into the right places, and that's it. That's the whole thing. Make sure you get points on story questions that are near the beginning of the section. They're usually very easy.